Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to tag someone on Facebook post. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to tag someone on Facebook post. First, just click on what's on your mind, and then here you can type a post. For example, hello. And after that, click this tag icon, tag people, and here you can select who you want to tag. Okay, for example, if this person, this one, after that click done. Now I already tagged 3 people. Other thing, what you can do, you can click tag people, and in the search bar you can type the person who you want to tag on the post. For example, if B, I have here some friends start with B. Okay, for example here this one, and then click done. After that click post. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to tag someone on Facebook post. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.